Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to view account statement on Trading 212. Account statement is a comprehensive report that provides you with overview of your accounts. To view account statement on Trading 212, first open your Trading 212 application on your mobile phone. Make sure that you are logged into your Trading 212 account. Now here you'll be taken to your home page. Now tap on three lines on down right corner. Then scroll down. On the last option you can see documents. Now tap on documents. With this, now here you can see account statements. Here you'll be able to see overview of your account activities. Similarly, you can scroll towards left on the top and you can see other kind of documents including contract documents, card statements. This is how we can view account statement on Trading 212. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.